Greeting colleagues, I am Dr. Amit, Assistant Professor in Department of Library and Information Science, Central University of Haryana. Today, I am going to demonstrate how to add a subcategory and a course in Learning Management System. First, we need to accessing the LMS portal. Go to your web browser and then go to the URL web address bar and then enter the lms-cuh.samarth.ac.in and press enter. The LMS home page will be displayed. Click the login button and enter username and password as provided by the LMS nodal officers. Then click on login to access LMS dashboard. So it is a LMS dashboard. Second step, to navigate to your department. First, click on your school. My school is School of Interdisciplinary and Applied Sciences. I click here. Then within the school, select your department to access its categories. So I click on Department of Library and Information Science to access this category. There are the two subcategories. One is the Master of Library and Information Science. Second is the PhD Library Science. Step 3, to create a subcategory. On your department's category page, click on More button, which is highlighted within the with green colors. Okay, then a drop menu will be displayed on your screen. Then select a add a subcategory. In the add a subcategory form that appear, please fill this form. First, ensure that your department is selected. Okay, so my department of Library and Information Science is selected here. Second, give the category name. The red button show that it is a required field for submit a category form. So these two are the required fields. So category name, I write, for examples, I write the certificate course. Okay, I want to create a subcategory certificate course. Give the ID number. It is optional. If you want to give a ID number to your subcategory, just enter, for example, CC certificate course, Department of Library and Information Science, CC DLLIS. I create my category. Next is the descriptions. Descriptions is the optionals. You can include notes for your internal use and identity only. Then click on create category. Now confirm that newly created subcategory is now listed under your department's category structures. I go there here. Certificate course is listed in my departmental category structures and the short code is the CCDLIS. Now step 3, how to create a course. Then go to home and navigate once again to your department, click school, then click on your departments and select the relevant subcategory where the course is to be entered. So I want add a course in my certificate course, which is newly added. Then I click on certificate course, then click on the more button and click on add a new course. Okay, the course form will be displayed on your screen. Again, red button is highlighted for the required fields and other all fields are the optional. So first you should enter your course name. For examples, my course is Foundation of Library and Information Science. Then enter the short course name. I create short code FLIS-GCC. Okay, then click on the visibility buttons. There are the two options. You can hide or show your course. If you are preparing a new course, then click on hide. If you publish in a public domain, then you can click on click. Okay, now I am preparing this course, so I select hide. This is the course date and the course start date and the course end date. So please mention your start date and the end date according to the official academic calendar of the CUH. Next is the course ID number. So here you can enter the official course code of our course. Okay, and next is the course summary. Course summary is the optional. Provide a brief descriptions of the course learning outcome. And next is the course image. So you should upload a image to beautify your course. Next is the course format. So by default topic format is selected for that course, so you can change. There are the number of course format given in the list. Okay, I select the tiles, and after tiles, the features of the tiles will be displayed on your screen. Or you can select the topic format, then topic format features will be displayed on your screens. I want to add 3 sections in my course, so then click and select the 3 sections. Okay, and the hidden sections are completely invisible, or you can hidden section are shown as not available. So as your wish, you can select any one. Then just click save and return. Okay, so just click save and return. Then ensure that your course will be created in your appropriate category. Then click on your school, click on your departments and particular category where the course is created. Then you can see Foundation of Library and Information Science is created. So it is a demonstrate how to add a subcategory or a course in our LMS systems. So thank you so much.